A new Tesla Model S Plaid erupted into flames near Philadelphia, causing a huge mystery on how the fire started. Model S Plaid spontaneously burst into flames while its owner was driving it. The owner was briefly trapped in the car after the electronically activated doors would not open. The owner had to put the weight of his body against the door and eventually extricated himself from the sedan. The car rolled about 25 yards with nobody in it before becoming engulfed in flames. The incident happened days after the owner took delivery of the Model S Plaid. Firefighters were on scene for just over 3 hours dealing with the fire emergency. Once the fire was properly extinguished, there wasn't much left of the Model S. An investigation into the details surrounding the fire is underway. It's not common for these cars to just spontaneously combust unless there is an accident. The fire involving one of the few Plaid models already in the hands of customers raises questions about the safety of the Plaid model.